Hi, I get many questions on how to get started on the project and what do we need to implement in phase one. In phase one, we only requiring the back-end components. Uh, Back-end components are going to deal with our repository. Currently, our repository is JSON files already provided to you. Those JSON files are supposed to be of a lot of help to you. Your entities are global admin, country admin, patient, and patient status. All the remaining things are reports or queries to the available data. Uh, what functions you need to add at the end should be concluded from here. At the back end, you need to provide login, register for a new patient, assign, terminate, get country admins, add patients. No user interface components required in the first phase. Update patient info, add a new status. All details are available in the document. And there are different reports for different users. Any user interface thing is not required again. So in phase one, you need to provide some classes and web API and repository. How to start? First, you need to look at the JSON files I provided. Those are one of the things that are going to be working with. For example, admins. You have an admins table. Look at the admins table. You have an ID, first name, last name, country, mobile, email, password. So you need to provide some ways to add admin, remove admin, update admin if required. For admin, it's not required. It's only add admin. For global admins, just use the file. It's not required to add or remove or update. But okay, for countries also, you have the file ready, and this is a sample country. Then for patients, you have this file. And for the patient, you need to be able to add and update patients. So in your repository, you need to provide these things. Uh, assignment. Assignments can be created or terminated. No update. Update is terminate. You provide an end date for the assignment. Status list is already provided. Status or patient status, you need to be able to create. No update, it's only add. So for each one, you need to know what functions, what CRUD functions. Do I need to create only, or create and delete, or create and update and delete? Of course, you need to provide get for all of them. Once you finish with this, you can really go to the next step, which is Express app. Let me show you an app from an example here. I'll post this to Blackboard soon in 1 hour. Here we have our simple mini project. I have the program repository. This is programs, QU engineering programs. I'm going to provide a complete project on this phase by phase. In this first phase, I'm going to be able to add, update, and delete programs, get all programs, get one program. So generally, you need these things for any entity in any web or mobile or any applications. Create a program, update a program, delete a program. That's it. And get all programs, get one program. So here's my JSON file. You know it from the class. First, I did the program repository. In this phase, we are working with JSON file, no database. So if you look at it, get programs, get one program, you need to provide the program code, add a program, update a program. Here in the update program, in our example, we only update the name. We cannot change the code. Delete program, and that's it. So those 5 functions, get all programs, get one program, add a program, update a program, delete a program, are all explained here. So you need to provide similar functionality for the entities of your project. Once you finish, you need to create your Express app. And in my Express app, and here many projects, I have get all programs, I have get one program, and post, which is create a new program, delete to delete a program, and update, put as update. تمام. The best way to test your code is Postman. Don't use the browser at this stage. You will know why later. But using Postman is easy, and we will test all functionalities, get all programs, get one program, add new program, update program, and delete a program. So with Postman, I first need to start my service. It's already started now. And in Postman, okay, it's ready here on get. This is the address, programs, send. I get all the programs working fine. If I need one program, I need to provide the code, AUP, send. Tamam. If I need to add a program, I need post. I need to change the resource here. I need to create data. I'll use body and JSON. I'll create this engineering systems. I'll just change the name. Maybe we have the same one. Okay. So when I click send, I should get it. If I go and check the file here, CNG program, last one is in ISS. Let me test it again with another program name, ITT. Okay, ITT engineering. Okay, this is the body. This body will go with the request, send, created a new one, and check again. Yeah, it's here available. Final thing, we need to delete one. So I'll delete this one, last one. I'll take the code here. My request will be delete. And I need to provide the code for the, of course, nobody with the delete. Okay, so I need the code only, send. So let's see, the last one has been deleted. One more thing is remaining. We need to update. Update is going to be put, and according to our implementation, no ID here. So I'll let us see one program. I'll use get here to see all programs. I'll update the last one from industrial engineering, ISS here. I'll update it. So when I use put to test update, I need to provide the body. So I'll change it from systems and industrial ENG. So now this ISS should be updated. I'm using put programs. The ID is in the body. In many cases, people would do it in providing the ID here and the remaining parts in the body. Both are fine. Send, updated. Let's check here. Okay, is updated. Systems and industrial engineering. So you need to provide functions in your repository first to add, remove, update, delete, get. Sometimes get more than one entity. Once you finish with the repository, you can go for your Express app. You build your get one, post, delete, update. Then you test them using JSON. That's it for the first phase.